And this is what I bought on this year's Prime Day. And it was a pretty good deal. It was $200 off. And this is one of its capabilities. Alexa, vacuum the master bedroom.
Okay, here's our robot home. Roomba seems to be taking a little longer than normal to receive the command. Please see the iRobot room app to see if Roomba has power and is connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, Roomba will vacuum the master bedroom.
And there's also an app that you can control it, so I will send it home from the app. And it also empties its own bin. And it empties it into a small little bag. And you can see the stuff that I've already collected just with the playing around that I've done lately. Then you just put it back in this way. Also from the app, as you clean, you can build a map. And so I've got my map built for my house. And you can also put areas that you don't want it to vacuum. Like if there are cords on the ground, like for instance, in my kitchen here, this is where my cat food dish is. And so I don't want it vacuuming around there. And so the more that it vacuums, the better your house map becomes. And then you can label the different rooms, and that's how the Roomba knows where to go. And you can also set up schedules using the app. And so I've got a couple of schedules set. I have the master bathroom, that's where I keep my litter box. I have that scheduled for every day at 7 p.m. And then at Friday at 9 a.m. I do my office, the guest bedroom, and the master bedroom. And then on Thursday at 9 a.m. I do the dining room, kitchen, and living room. And also the three lines in the upper left-hand corner here, you can go to Smart Home. And this is where you would connect with your Amazon Alexa. And in my case, I also have an Ecobee thermostat, which recognizes when I'm in or out of the house. And so I can also schedule to have my Roomba vacuum when I'm out of the house. And so these are just some of the features of my new Roomba vacuum. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.